Who is that? Who is that? You ready? You want to watch it?
Yeah. Hello.
Who is that? Yeah. Hello. I only wanted to see if you are there. And sure enough, there you are. It's so beautiful outside.
Bye, George.
But you are sitting at your PC again. However, I must say you are looking good.
No, George.
You want more giraffe? And I can see that everything is okay with you. So let me say bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye.
And enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers. Bye-bye. Who is that?
Ethan.
What are you doing?
Dad. Mama.
Mommy's not in there. Are you eating blueberries? Having a yummy breakfast? 5. Oh. Can you make a funny face? That's a funny one too. Do this. How about this one? That's a good smile. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Hey, what did I say about push-a-buttons?
No.
You just got stuff on me. All right, all done?
Thank you, Mama.
For what? What are you thanking me for? What are you thanking me for? That's upside down, silly. Are you funny? Say that's all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Blow 'em a kiss.